Stock market simulators allow you to experiment with new investing methods without risking any real money. A little friendly investing competition isn't a bad thing, especially when there is no real money at stake. What exactly is paper trading? Paper trading allows people to practice buying and selling stocks without using real money. Stock market simulators are used by investors, and the persons who create the largest stock market returns are technically the winners. Except there are no losers in this case because the money isn't real, so there's no risk. However, the most important aspect of paper trading is the invaluable experience it provides rookie investors. Anyone can test their skills in a simulator before plunging into the real stock market, where real money is at stake. Is it possible to profit from paper trading? No, because the money is fictitious. Is paper trading, however, a useful way to learn? Yes, argues Tela Holcomb, creator of the Trade Your 9-to-5 program, which teaches people how to trade and invest. I always recommend that people start with paper trading, says Las Vegas-based Holcomb. We have all of our clients start with it, mostly because everyone who comes to us is brand new to the market, and it can be scary. For example, if you're the first generation in your family to earn enough money to invest, the fear of losing all your money is real, according to her. She claims that stock market simulators allow you to learn the market with monopoly money, which alleviates some of your worry. Why should you use a stock market simulator? In the actual world, investors are not competing against the returns of other participants. Winning means matching or outperforming the performance of a benchmark index. For example, if you select and choose individual stocks and your average returns after 5 years are smaller than the returns of the S&P 500, you could be better suited investing in a low-cost index fund that tracks the S&P 500. However, if your stock picks outperform the index, research suggests that this is unusual, even among expert investors. You might say you outperformed the stock market. In the real stock market, success is measured over years rather than weeks or months. Here are 4 reasons why you should use a stock simulator. 1. You will receive a general investment education. Many of these platforms provide a very real education in investing, with a library of articles, lessons, and demos, as well as the opportunity to interact with an online community ready to answer technical and investing issues at some brokers. It allows you to learn what to look for when you're trading, Holcomb adds. You can discover how long you want to hold stocks for and when and how to sell them. 2. It is a secure environment in which to learn the mechanics of placing trades and creating a portfolio. There's a reason why student drivers learn to drive in abandoned parking lots. The best spot to make all of your rookie investing blunders, such as mistyping ticker symbols or misinterpreting order types, is where you will incur the least financial loss. Holcomb claims that removing the fear of making a mistake and losing everything allows you to focus on your approach. 3. You can put fresh investing techniques and types to the test. Do you want to diversify your investment portfolio? Trying before you purchase is especially critical when experimenting with new methods like shorting stocks and trading options, as well as more sophisticated investing choices like futures, commodities, and foreign currencies, Forex. 4. You'll discover the significance of keeping emotions out of investing. One of the secrets to becoming a good investor, according to billionaire investor Warren Buffett, is the ability to suppress the emotions that drive other investors astray. Even if investing decisions are less stressful when no real money is at stake, the brain doesn't always fully grasp that concept. Imagine haunted houses, roller coaster rides, and scary movies. Using a stock market simulator will give you a taste of what feelings to expect when you meet the inescapable ups and downs of the actual market. People will step out there much more confidently about putting their money to work, Holcomb adds. You can't do much better than the simulated investment platforms given by actual operational online brokerages for a virtual trading practice environment that's near to the real thing. These practice accounts are usually identical to the broker's live trading interface. Most are free, however others may require you to create an account. The top brokers provide test drivers with a fully operational setup that includes the same features that active customers use, such as watch lists, stock screens, research, and live or slightly delayed data feeds. Here are 5 brokerages where you can practice paper trading. Some may require you to set up an account first. E-Trade. E-Trade Paper Trading, TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade Paper Money Virtual Stock Market Simulator. Interactive Brokers Paper Trading Account. TradeStation Simulated Trading. And Webull Paper Account. Now that you know about paper trading, will you consider it as a way to gain more investing knowledge and skill? Leave a comment below. Take care and remember that your money matters.